few packages in today, luckily. And one of them is this turbo. This is just the regular old Chinese turbo from eBay. It's a GT3076R. Just, you know, what you regularly see, on eBay that you can buy. I paid $230 for this, honestly. Has the surge protection compressor on it. I went ahead and already took the bolts off because I'm going to be painting this same color as my calipers. But that's the wheel. It actually feels really nice. I went ahead and got it with the V-band exhaust housing. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint this. Actually gave it a wipe already with that paper towel. Plan on just painting the whole housing. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to painting. Give it a second coat. Just gonna leave it to dry for now. But yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. But kind of dark in here. I wish I had more light. But I had this old exhaust set up for my Camaro when I was planning on turboing it. But that never happened. So I have this wastegate on it that I'm going to use to mount on the manifold. It bolts right up to the bottom there. Just some old Chinese wastegate. So bolts right up, still works that I know of. I mean the valve still opens up. That's in there. Let's see. But I got that, and this is the flange to it. Just had this piece of pipe welded on it. But this flange goes right here. And I cut some pie cuts off of it. If that helps a little bit. Put some pie cuts. These are 15-degree pie cuts, 245. They're just welded them up together just to see what I'm going to need. I'm going to test fit it here in just a second and go from there. I just woke up this morning, but like I was trying to show you yesterday, I have this wastegate here that actually fits really nicely on there. I've been making this wastegate pipe. Hasn't turned out too nicely. This metal on here is really crappy, but I'm gonna see if I can make it work, and then just continue welding it together, and I'll show you progress. This is probably the worst weld that I've ever seen, but I got the flange tacked up, and I'm gonna go see if it fits where it needs to be. Still kind of hot, so I think that's actually pretty good right there where it's at. I mean, if not, you can always modify it. So, I'm gonna be honest. TIG welding is probably one of the hardest metals to weld, and unless you're good at it, it's gonna look like crap, and I am not good at it. So I finished it. Looks like poo, but This is the only welder that I have working right now, unfortunately. So it'll have to do. But it's gonna function, that's all that matters. I mean, it's a wastegate pipe. It's gonna go in over here. And that's all that matters. So, looks good. It's gonna function just the way any other wastegate pipe would. Yeah. So after I test fitted it, I found out that it's like way too long, so I went ahead and cut it. Cut it, I'd say probably like 4 inches off. And then now it should be good. I also found these little bolts, small studs, that are the same as these. These ones are just a pain in the butt. There were extra ones from when I ordered a turbo earlier. And I had them in this bin and some extra nuts. So I'm just gonna go test fit it again and see how it fits. I have one of these in. Like the blood. These bolts are the same, but we'll do. I have to put some washers on it. Looks like the gap's a little big. Maybe not. Maybe not. I think that's probably safe. It's about the same as the transmission. Probably safe right there. Yeah. Still waiting on some parts for the turbo, unfortunately. But at least I got that situated. Still looks like a turd. But yeah. Next, I think just waiting on that flange adapter so I can mount the turbo and then run the lines and make a downpipe. I still got to figure out this stupid water line here. Not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it, but we'll find out. I've kind of jumped the gun again. I guess I'm just super excited. I ended up getting my main part that I need is this flange, so I can bolt up the turbo to it. Most of you are probably wondering why the heck I would buy an adapter flange for the manifold instead of buying the proper manifold. Well, I was looking a while back, if I'm correct, if I were to buy the manifold with the proper flange and everything for a T3, it would range from 400 to 600, if I'm correct. Last time I checked. So I just bought this manifold for $100.